Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send MATIC from Kraken to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your transfer is smooth and secure. Why do this? Well, moving your assets between exchanges like Kraken and Gemini can help you diversify your portfolio or take advantage of better features on different platforms. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Gemini, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select MATIC from your list of assets. Now, click on the Withdraw button next to MATIC. This is where it gets exciting. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Gemini will provide you with a specific wallet address for MATIC deposits. Head over to your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the MATIC address. Make sure to select the correct network, typically Ethereum or Polygon for MATIC, to avoid any transaction failures. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount you want to send, don't forget to account for network fees, and review the details carefully. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Gemini and check your account to confirm the MATIC has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, double-check the network you selected or contact support on either exchange. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. And there you have it. Your MATIC is now safely on Gemini. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.